Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you can see the slides. Hope you can hear my voice if you're joining us for the live session, or if you're on the live stream. You're all very welcome. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market update number 218 for Monday, 16th of March, 2026. I hope you're all well. Hope you're all safe wherever you're in the world you're joining us from, and I hope you've had a good weekend and ready for what is going to be another eventful week in an eventful month in an eventful quarter in an eventful year. For those of you joining us for the first time, Paul's Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you over the next 25-30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within the FX markets, looking at some charts of interest you might want to add to your watch list, and then having a look at the live markets. It is not a signal service, it's not trade recommendations, it's just me sharing with you what I'm looking at, which might be of relevance and interest to yourselves. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. As always, if you want a little bit more help and support on your trading journey, there is the VTP Trader Accountability Group. Doesn't matter what you trade or how you trade, it's all about building discipline, accountability, and consistency in a small group. You can ping me for if you've got any points, or use that QR code there to take you to the page to join. And finally, going from like a kind of an advanced nuclear startup to a very what should we say, kind of blue chip old school stock, FedEx, right? So the global logistics giant, right? But I'm interested in them because they are viewed as a barometer global trade activity. As you can see, they have done well. All right, they have done really well. Okay, over the sort of the last few months, in spite of all the sort of the kind of tariff nonsense, they have been back in it because I think they wanted to try and sue Trump for the kind of cost of the tariffs to them and their business. Whether that's a genuine case or just basically attention seeking, I don't know. People smarter than me can work on that, but what we have seen is that FedEx, as I said, they're that kind of logistics giant. So it is a barometer for kind of global trade. It is also a bit of a barometer for like e-commerce demand, sort of manufacturing cycles. FedEx, who've got their earnings on Thursday after close, well, they can kind of sometimes be a bit of an early signal for momentum or the lack of it in kind of in global economic activity. And certainly you can see there over the last couple of weeks, having gone vertical, gone parabolic, which is what I always warn traders about, we can see we had fallen away and drifted down lower from that as well. Okay, so as I said, Thursday evening got their earnings, and as I said, use that as a bit of a barometer for kind of the global economic momentum. We can see how that particularly looks to play out itself. Okay, so there you go. There's a few charts of interest that you might want to add to your watch list. Let's have a look at the live markets now, see what the score is, see what's happening. So just bear with me for a moment, and we'll sort of just I'll just bring them up for us now.